Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Splice. You click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Splice app. In this page of app on file we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.